Rishikesh, also known as the yoga capital of the world, is a well-known destination for whitewater rafting and kayaking. And this time, I'm here to learn that. Just to give you the background, kayaks were earlier built by Eskimos of the northern Arctic region for hunting. But it was during the 1800s when Europeans took this as a sport and modernized it the way it is today. So right now I'm going to the pickup point. My coach, my trainer is here and I'm going to report him, and they will be taking me to the site from where we will be starting our run today. And here it is. Day 1 was mostly about testing the waters and learning the basics. It was the most tiring day of the whole course as we had to practice tea rescue multiple times, and believe me, it is a taxing exercise. In the evening though, I decided to explore Rishikesh a bit and spend some time with myself.
और आपका नाम क्या है? इसी का? ये कितने महीने की है? So I have found the perfect place for me. Not crowded, near the river, the solitude. Good morning guys. So I'm in Rishikesh right now. Today is my second day and I'm here for the kayaking course. So yesterday I learned how to rescue when you are in the kayak and it flips, but today I will be going to the rapids now. So this is my partner Shelza. She is also here for the kayaking course.
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm very scared. That's okay, I won't say.
So how was your experience yesterday?
I'm telling you, it's very scary. Don't do it.
And this is our instructor Joy. What's up? So the best part about Joy is that he is also an engineer. And yeah, this is our second instructor Dev bhai. इन्होंने कल मेरे को फ्लिप से निकलना सिखाया. Above me, this is Lakshman Chula, the famous Lakshman Chula of Rishikesh, and I am kayaking just below it. You can see it over here.
So day 2 was sort of an introduction to rapids, where I learned some new things and applied the skills that I practiced the previous day. After the course, I rented a scooty and drove it in and around Rishikesh. It was quite fun actually, as I collected some interesting stories and was really into the moment. The moment I toppled in that rapid, I soon realized that आज तो किसी का बाप भी मुझे नहीं बचा सकता. Without any wasting time to get rescue, I exited the kayak and swam. Day 3 was sort of an eye-opener for me. After the session, I discussed with Dave and Joy about what went wrong and how to improve upon it. But frankly speaking, that moment of being toppled is the most memorable scene of my whole kayaking course.
Good morning guys. So today is 20th of May and it's 5:30 in the morning, and today is my last day at Rishikesh. I couldn't sleep last night, so I thought of covering Rishikesh early morning. So right now I'm planning to go nearby places and we'll cover up and let's see how it goes. सो ये है दीपक भाई, ये आज हमारा लास्ट डे है कोर्स का। तो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं आपकी और क्या सोच कर आए हो?
आज हर रैपिड में कम से कम 2 बार गिरना है और 2 बार टी रेस्क्यू लेना और एक में स्कीमर रोल करना है।
और टी रेस्क्यू नहीं मिला तो?
नहीं मिला तो खोल देंगे।
Good afternoon guys. So here we are at the starting point of our final day So we will be starting our expedition from this particular place. Today the length of our expedition would be somewhere around 9 to 10 kilometers, and there will be 4 rapids in total in that particular expedition. And yesterday we faced 2 rapids and I had to swim, like I toppled in one of the rapids, and we will be doing that again today. And there will be 2 more rapids which are of higher level as compared to the yesterday's one. So I'm very much up for it, and I aim for like complete the whole expedition without doing a swim. So let's hope for the best, and this is going to be the craziest day of my life. Stay tuned. This is the craziest thing which I have done till now. Fucking awesome. I was just for around 2 minutes. I was in the rapids, and man. भाई कोई आ जाओ साथ में प्लीज.
That is an expression which you give when you do something out of your comfort zone and you know you have nailed it. Kayaking is a high octane sport, and the adrenaline rush during the rapids is unparalleled. Although India has immense potential for the sport, it is still in its budding phase. I have a lot to learn, and I am certain that I will be doing the advanced course soon, but it's a matter of when.
GoPro, stop recording.